Hi, welcome to the Careers Unfiltered podcast with Mentoria. You may know your dream job, you may know your dream career, but do you know what goes on behind the scenes in your chosen career path? Have you been able to separate the glamour from the reality in your career? Do you know the good, the bad, and the ugly in your career? Most people walk into their careers without having any idea in terms of what really happens in that career, how to crack success, how to get the right job, how to grow in the career. Don't be those people. Get the ins and outs of your career path through some of the best subject matter experts and industry professionals that Mentoria will bring to you on the Careers Unfiltered podcast.
Difficulty level of mechanical engineering, core branch of engineering, which has got an existence few hundred years before. Engineering is always a fascinating career, right from the people who know engineering and also for the layman. Right. When we look at all the products around, let it be a bicycle, a two-wheeler, an automobile, and from that to very big machineries, aircraft, choppers, and even Chandrayaan we're talking about right now. Each and everything is manufactured in the industry, which requires mechanical engineering. A role of a mechanical engineer, if I talk about, and what is mechanical engineering, it's all about designing all those products, then manufacturing them, maintaining them, and ensuring that those are actually delivering the requirements of the customer, making those products viable. That is all about, in a nutshell, in a common language, what is a mechanical engineering is all about. There are two parts of the question which you asked about. So first, let me talk about addressing to the students who are willing to pursue their career in mechanical engineering. For them, the courses which are absolutely essential at 11th, 12th are physics, chemistry, and mathematics. And if I look at mechanical engineering, to be very precise, then physics and mathematics, these are the two courses which are absolutely essential, because when we talk about physics, it is all about application of physics into dynamics, and then gradually we come into a deeper aspect of engineering. That is what is called as a mechanical engineering. Mathematics is an inevitable part, which is really required right from first year to final year, and also after that. And if I look at my journey of education, then it is quite interesting. I did my engineering, BE Mechanical from Government College of Engineering. While working with the industry, I completed my diploma in business management for 2 years. I also completed my master's in management science, because that was really required at the time of working on a shop floor with the industry. Then I did MIE and also did my certification as a chartered engineer. I shifted my job into a teaching field. I completed my master's of technology from, again, Government College of Engineering, Pune. So having an MTech is also at that time was required. I also completed my doctorate in mechanical engineering. That is also required because we have to be there in the field of teaching. So all those journey, it's encompassing the overall requirements of mechanical engineer. You have to keep on learning every now and then. The engineering journey doesn't complete it after 4 years of engineering. That is what I feel. It's one of the question where I really would like to like to highlight some key points. Getting a job after B or BTech degree is quite easy nowadays for a mechanical engineer. There are some engineers who are expecting that they should have a career into a research domain. For them, completion of masters is really what they should do. After masters, they should also go for a doctorate degree. And it is possible. I have seen my students completing their doctorate at the age of 27. Nice. So it is really easy that they can do it. But getting a job, if you are looking for maximum number of students after graduation, they get job and happily they survive with those jobs. After a few years, might be say after 5 years, 6 years, 10 years down the line, if they feel that, okay, now I'm settled in my job, I'm married, and everything is now, life is going very smooth, I need to do some higher education, then also there are plenty of opportunities. While you are working on a job, you can pursue your higher education as well. When we talk about research, then a lot of research is going on presently in mechanical engineering domain, especially when we talk about automobile as a sector. A few years before, there was a research in automobile. Now the research has been shifted a little bit on electric vehicles because that is in the demand. But along with that, also a lot of research is going on in the field of robotics, automation, industrial engineering, material science and metallurgy, also a mechanical design and CAD/CAM and computer integrated manufacturing. Energy sector, there's a lot of research which is going on, and especially if we look at sustainable goals, then a lot of research presently people are doing in the field of sustainable energy and sustainable development. These are core mechanical areas where the research is going on, and in the upcoming days, if I look at where this mechanical engineers will be doing research, they will be doing research in the field of data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning applied into mechanical engineering. One of the most important questions, I must say, there is misconception, what is rightly pointed out, that okay, there are jobs which are available only for CSIT and no jobs are available for mechanical. I'll try to show a flip side of this part of misconception, that look at the industries and contact them and find out what kind of engineers do you really require, where the scarcity is, and the answer is mechanical engineers. They need a lot of engineers, mechanical engineers, and there's a big scarcity of engineers. Then why the people are saying that, okay, the jobs are not available for mechanical engineers? One of the reason is that there's a difference between the industry requirement and the engineers when they get a degree. Misunderstanding happens that, okay, if I get a degree and with, say, a good pointer, I get a pointer like 9.2, 9.5, 8.9, a very good pointer from a very good college. Give me a job. And no industry is going to give you a job. Nothing. It's not possible. The industry demand that you should have certain skill set. A skill set can be in any domain which the industry demand. Industry may say, I need a data science specializations of a mechanical engineering because I need to work on engine data. A company may say, I need an expertise, a little bit of expertise and inclination on energy sector, or a little bit of awareness about automation, development of robotic arms, something like that. And if the student have this kind of technical skills, and along with that, some professional skills, then there's a great demand. There's still a big demand for mechanical engineers. There are many areas where the specializations do available right now. And let me also cover up the miss out portion of the previous question. Where are those industries where this demand is still going on? If I categorize the industries broadly, I will say manufacturing, automobile industries, process industries, and then pharma industries, chemical industries, petrochemical industries, refineries, agrotech industries. There are plenty of government jobs, foods and beverages, aeronautical, aerospace industries. All those are the industries which require mechanical engineers. Now, coming back to this question, how to find out the specializations and how did I did it for myself. When I went back to my journey from standard 7 and 9, it was all about fascination of automobiles. I got a job in an automobile company, and most of the experience was on manufacturing of engines and machines. Later on, when I wanted to do my specializations in MTech, I pursued heat power engineering, which is again related to engine. While doing my research in PhD, I did it on renewable energy, that is alternative fuels. Everything is connected, automobile to engine to fuel and alternative fuel. So the flow maintained with my passion. For any engineer who is planning to pursue a career, I will say first and second year, these are the 2 years where these engineers try to find out what mechanical engineering is all about. The second year, they find out, okay, I may be very good in robotics, I may be very good in energy, I may be very good in design, I may be very good in power sector. Third year onwards, they should understand, okay, this is my domain of expertise, or this is what I really would like to be, or this may be my interest area. And then probably they should start understanding more into those domains, start learning beyond your curriculum. Nowadays, we cannot simply expect that the engineering institute will help. Prerna, I think I need to take some more time to answer this question, because this is one of the questions which the engineering students really look forward. Even though the students are doing their engineering or aspiring to become a mechanical engineer. I'll give only 2 answers to this. Number 1 is a professional skill. Number 2 is a technical skill. First, when you talk about a professional skill, then there are few dimensions which the students must look at. Right from the first year, they need to understand, where do I stand? There are many tests which are available online to find out their competency in the form of English, professional skills, soft skill, behavioral skills, manners, etiquettes, everything. and they should start exploring themselves, understanding this professional skills concept in the first year and second year. Professional skills take a key part in getting a job and sustaining the job also. Students should understand the way they should talk, they should behave with people, what is empathy, what is negotiation skill, what is storytelling. All those things, those are not included in any syllabus. A flavor can be given by any university, but it is not, any university cannot fit it into a curriculum because we have certain standard government guidelines which we have to follow. So students have to keep themselves exploring all those skills and practicing through their projects, internship, keep on making groups, talk to their teachers, go to the society, contact different industries, keep industrial visits, and explore them. So this is first part. Second is a technical skill. Any technical skill can do. The students may think, okay, I would like to learn mechanical design, or I have seen some of the students, my students, they are very good in mathematics. Their pointer is less, 7.8, 7.9, but they are very good in mathematics. And the other group of students I have seen, they are very good in sketching. So they keep on sketching the of body, and I'm sure that they are going to get excellent jobs with their own skill. I have seen students getting excellent job even though they are very good footballer. So for them also, the job is available. Find out who you are. And I always tell to students wherever I go that you have to start writing down your biodata. And the best muhurat for the same is the first day of your engineering college. So the day which you entered, you have to start writing your biodata. And then you feel that, okay, I cannot fill these blank spaces. They make a plan to fill those blank spaces within 4 years. Apart from private sector, there are many government job opportunities which are available, especially in PSUs like Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, IOCL, IPCL, all those petrochemical companies where the job opportunities are available. And there are also government industries like Bharat Heavy Electricals or Steel Authority of India Limited, Coal India Limited. All these job opportunities are available, and I request the students to keep checking this when they are in third year. When they keep checking the websites, they will come to know about the selection processes, the requirements, the last year cutoffs, the selection list. Every information is available on those websites of these individual companies and sectors, PSUs. Along with that, I suggest that a student should keep reading employment news, which comes once a week. And employment news gives all sorts of information on government jobs, especially mechanical engineering domain. Keep checking that. And as far as the selection procedure is concerned, the selection procedure differs. It can be some different procedure for SAIL, for Coal India, for PSUs, for power plants, even for railways, Indian armies, Air Force. Selection procedure differs. Most of the selection is depending on a GATE score. GATE is an examination which the students normally give when they are in third year and final year of engineering. So that is also very important. If you are looking for a government job, start preparing GATE examination right from second year, so that at third year you can have attempt 1. Probably you can give attempt number 2 when they are in final year. There are some misunderstanding, misconceptions about engineering, and especially mechanical engineering is also concerned. People talk nowadays, what you said rightly, that we should go always for computer, IT, or computer science related programs like artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning. I agree that the world demands those kind of technologies. But at the same time, we cannot simply rule out the existence of a mechanical engineer. We do have a lot of requirements in the industry, and there are a lot of scope for mechanical engineers right now also. If I look at the kind of passion which is required and what exactly is the difficulty level of mechanical engineering, I must say that this is a core branch of engineering which has got an existence few hundred years before. The other branches have been evolving out. And unless and until we understand what is there in the mechanical engineering, it is all about feeling that, okay, it is something like very dharavna, very horrible, and very difficult. Actually, truly speaking, this is a branch of engineering where you get a chance to work on live things which you can physically see. You can see the things start working. A mechanical engineer who designs an engine, and for the first time the engine gets started, Can you imagine the kind of joy which that mechanical engineer can feel? Yes, I have designed this engine and now it is starting. So
Right.
feel that joy, feel the satisfaction is very, very important as far as mechanical engineering is concerned.